Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Jasmy coin for today, and we are holding a critical support level. I'm going to explain. Of course, I hope that you're having a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's start. So Jasmy coin right here, I've squared the chart on the 4-hour frame this time from the bottom here back on 9 March to the top on 19 March. You can see that we fell down from the 1-1 line, we lost it, then went to the 2-1, then to the 3, then to the 4, and now finally we are upon the 8-1 line. Right now we had a little bit of a buying pressure going on for Jasmy, mainly though because of Bitcoin's price action and not because Jasmy coin is strong enough by itself. Okay, I'm going to explain what we need to do. I'm going to explain what we should be doing. I'm going to keep this line right here, the 4-1, okay? So, and I'm going to delete the Ganfan. So this is one very important resistance line over the time. This is the price analysis. Okay, if you include the time, you're making a price analysis. Right now you can see when the time goes by, we have an increase at the targets, right? Eventually what this means is that it is different to go here on 4 May and it is different to go at the same line on 8 May. You are going to have a higher target. Anyway, I'm going to do something else as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a Fibonacci retracement from the top that we had back on 21st April to the bottom here, and I'm going to show you the most important resistance levels. Right now what do we have as the most important resistance level is the 0.02 USDT. If we cannot manage to close above this line right there, then we won't be getting even higher. However, finding constant buying pressure on the previous lows, it is very good for Jasmy against USDT, and it shows that maybe we could be forming a higher double bottom pattern right here, and eventually after we can go and explode. Okay, but at this time what we are doing is mainly we are driven by Bitcoin. Okay, Jasmy against Bitcoin chart is doing pretty much fine, plus 4% today, and it isn't looking so bad. However, it isn't looking great either. We are still having the 50-day MA as a resistance level. We are having an overbought with Jasmy against Bitcoin chart, so therefore it is very likely that we are going to see Jasmy against Bitcoin chart correcting, okay, and we cannot actually go in and we cannot buy unless it closes above the 0.6051. If we can manage to do that, then we are going to go to the next price target, which will be the 0.6057. However, until then, we are not having a buying opportunity for Jasmy against Bitcoin chart. That means that Jasmy will be so much dependent on the Bitcoin, okay, and of course if it corrects more, then it is going to be more dependent in what Bitcoin will be doing. If Bitcoin increases very much, then Jasmy could probably be closing above the 0.02. Then the next price target would be the 0.0216, and then we have the 0.0229. okay, these are the next targets for Jasmy. Can we approach this top trend line right here that goes all the way up? Maybe could be the case. However, for now we have to secure the fact that we are having quite of a nice double bottom instead. But right now, if we look at the correction, actually if we look at the risk metrics, we are having a very huge risk with this pump up, and therefore we cannot say for sure that we are going to go above the 0.02. It doesn't look like we can do it for sure, but anyway, it was having a little bit of high hopes, although on the 1-hour frame we are seeing a bearish RSI divergence as well. Means that Jasmy will most likely lose it again and will go further down into probably 0.186. okay, depending on the correction that we are going to have in the next few hours, it will mean that maybe we can have a small correction and then we have a rebuying pressure and go above the 0.02. If we do not close above the 0.02 on the 4-hour frame and on the daily frame, what I would suggest is that you should be waiting. Better days are going to come. Better days, better weeks, better months. Do not worry about that, but you need to be patient. Patience in the cryptocurrency market is the #1 factor in which you can gain profits. If you do not have patience, then you won't get anything. I'm truly saying that because of my experience from 2017. All I've experienced is despair, pumps, good moments, very bad moments, losing money. Okay, but at the end of the day, if you stick to a plan and you have patience, then all the things will be going for the best. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.